So today's video is going to be this with more than 500 stickers. So inside of this, we have some create challenges, games, quizzes, and stickers. Sorry, I forgot to read the title. Animals. I was trying to be funny, so retake. Animals, 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 animals. So, yeah, I'm going to show you. So this book belongs to, and I have some crayons here if I need them for anything. So here are the stickers in the back. And there's a donation fund. It's like really fun book. And here it says color and a sense of your own. Draw the grass above the ground too, and feel the sense with creepy crows. Like creepy bugs, like oh my gosh, I hate 1,000 Legos. But yeah, so there's like sorry people. Retake. Sorry people. Oh sorry people. Oh sorry people. So I'm so sorry for that. But now I'm just going to be showing you this. And it, what is this? It says, unbelievable. It's just this page, I believe. So, a honeybee hive is abuzz with activity. Worker bees fly in and out collecting pollen and nectar from flowers to turn into honey. Others look after the hive. So follow the clues and stick flowers on the tree. Correct squares in the grid. Yeah, I do not get what that means. The stories just be gone. Ew, look at all these creepy insects. And I'm like, look at that. You put it together. Like, people, this is scary. Well, not really, but ew, snakes. Ew. Ugh. So I'll show you what I was coloring a little bit ago. I was coloring, you draw your own picture, and that's actually a frog. It doesn't even look like one, and then I have my fish in there. That's why I brought my crayons. So now this is like a quiz, I guess. So I need a pencil. Ugh, I don't have a pencil in here. I'm just using my highlighter. Okay, can I fly? Penguin. Penguins are fast, graceful swimmers, but on land they waddle. Can penguins fly? I don't think they can. Can I glide? Drago lizard? I don't even know what that is. Can I fly? Kiwi. A kiwi can't fly. Like, does anybody know what a kiwi is? Like, right there. Like, what the heck is a kiwi? I don't even know. Can I fly? Ostrich. Yes, I believe. Can I fly? Drew beetle. No. Can I glide? Flying fish. I'm guessing no. Place the stickers on the correct animals and answer questions below. I need a penguin. Where can I find a penguin at? Oh, back in my sticker book, I guess. Seriously, where could I find a penguin? I don't know. At the zoo, maybe? I don't know. I don't even know if they have penguins at the zoo. Oh, there's penguin. No, which one is it? Oh, it's that one like leaping over, I guess. Ha ha ha. Aw, the kitties. This is so cute. It's gonna make me cry. This is a sticker, and I'm going to place that there. A dragon lizard. I don't even know what the heck a dragon lizard is. Wait, is there a fish in here? Ew. Jewel beetle? I need a beetle. Ew, I'm so... Ew! I can't look. It's so nasty. Die. Okay. I'm going to color in this. Daddy, shh. I'm making a YouTube video. Shh. So, just going to do this. So this is how I colored it in. I only colored in those parts. But now I'm going to color in the rest of it. That was just my dad. I don't even know what this is. I think all butters are symmetrical, so I'm trying to make this look symmetrical, but I don't know if it's going to work. Oh, jeez, come on, man. Come on, man. So this is how it turns out so far. But this book is really cool, and I don't even know where I got this from. But go buy one. It is so cool. And it's actually really fun to do. And it says, write the name of the big cat in the right box. But did somebody stick this sticker on? Oh, come on. They made this. It's so awesome. They actually made this cheetah with a whole bunch of stickers. So that's a cheetah, I believe. A cheetah. Can you come up with your own big cat fur pattern? No, I can't. That goes with that. That goes with that. That goes with that. Oh, that's actually a jaguar. Oops. It's not a cheetah. What am I talking about? Jaguar. That goes to that. Oh. So this book is really fun when you're bored. You can just do it. So be sure to go check it out. It has more than 500 stickers. So give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it.